Hey guys, so we're doing another Animal Jam video, and today I got another diamond, finally. Isn't it? Yeah, so we're back with... Oh my gosh. So, let's go... Now we got no Meltime gifts, or no gifts so far. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. I think that was an overtrade, but I don't care. Yes. Yes. Finally. Woohoo! Yay. At least I got my headdress still. Yeah, there's only 2 rares I really care about so far. Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna rearrange this whole entire den. Okay. Yes! Yes, woohoo! Good thing I didn't give it my headdress for that. I don't really like pink spikes, anyways. Okay. Let's go get 1,000. Meep. Meep, meep, nom. Okay, let's set. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Get 1,000 gems. Okay, now let's run back home. Okay. What wallpaper? Yes. Even. Okay. Oh, it's gonna look real nice when I'm done. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna make a brand new den with this beautifulness. I'm really excited. I got a waterfall. Even though I'm pretty sure that was an overtrade. Okay, let's see. Okay. Only halfway done, we gotta buy a couple more things in the forest. Wait, do we need a pretty grass carpet or not? Should we? Wait, oh, it's still here. Okay, now. Okay, let's see. Some flowers like that, or those flowers? $600 in here. Okay, now let's go put this right here. Okay, I'm gonna put a bunch of flowers around my house. My house is gonna look so awesome when I'm done. I'm gonna just, when I get, best idea ever. Okay, so when I get my lava archway, I'm gonna make the flooring like lava and then put it here, and then put one half of the room like nice and archway like the really pretty waterfall, and then the other one. Okay, let's recycle everything in my den. Besides, oh my gosh, that archway is, oh my god, yes. Oh, yellow flowers. I want to put a bunch of flowers. Oh, dang it! Dang it. I just recycled a really good rare. Okay. 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 Whoa. We can buy a lot of flowers. Okay. Okay, now let's put some. Okay, now let's get back on the floor. I like my den. So nice. Here, put one right up here. Put one like near the vine. Woohoo! Now all I need is a candy frog. If I can get one candy frog, just put it right there. I'm never gonna trade it for anything. And so I'm using like 4 headdresses. Rare headdresses. Oh wait. So let's see. Let's trade him. Let's see. Yes. No. Here, I'm gonna pause the video and we're in the den maybe. Or just go around and see if there's any so yeah. Okay, so we're back and there's no Archala. Okay. Ooh. Wait, this seems rare. Because I have no clue. Wait, who just sent me that? That was Tanner. Okay. He's gonna send me some gifts. Because I just lost my rare mech and other things, but with the mummy mask. Oh my gosh. Cards. I think mummy masks are like rare-ish. I think. Okay, let's see what else we can get. Freedom hat. Okay, thanks. Those things are kind of easy to get, kind of. Well, not as hard as Rare heads. I don't know why I kept going like okay then. Thanks for that. Oh well, there's more than that. Ooh, oh my gosh, thanks. I love this. Okay. This is Wednesday. Oh gosh, what happened? Oh gosh, what happened to my Animaljam? What just happened? Okay, let's get back on. Oopsies. Okay then. That was weird. Ooh. Flash trade. I don't know what I'm doing here. Ow, ow, my dog just touched me. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I can do that. No, not this huge. Okay. Okay. I don't have red stuff. I think we're gonna be able to buy him a couple more days. Oh yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, yes. Okay. Without my nature choice for that. I don't know how rare this stuff is because I never really feel that. Okay, I'm gonna win this. No. Yeah. No. I think all the stuff in my den is mostly number. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna count myself out. Dude, oh my gosh. total overtrade. Cause like I already have one, and I really want a silver one, and that's a rare fox hat. Total overtrade. Okay, let's try this one more time. Ah, what is wrong with her? There's like those are total overtrades. Oh my gosh. Like only these. Okay, there you go. Can I have nothing? I'm just gonna ignore that. Pop, there's pop. Okay. No. I think those things are gone. Oh gosh, that's kind of scaring me. Okay, guys, let me trade this person real quick. Alright, back. Bye.